In this video, you'll gain insights into the concept of a case study, why conduct a case study, and when to conduct a case study. Let's begin with a fundamental question. What exactly is a case study? A case study is like a detailed detective story where researchers investigate a specific situation, person, or group to understand it better. It's a deep dive into real-life examples, exploring the who, what, when, where, and why of a particular subject. Imagine studying how a successful company made its mark or how a person overcame challenges. Researchers collect information through interviews, observations, or documents, analyzing it to draw meaningful conclusions. Case studies are useful for learning about unique situations, solving problems, or gaining insights that can be applied to similar cases. They're like real-world puzzles that help us grasp complex issues and develop a richer understanding of specific events or phenomena. Next one is why conduct a case study. Here are some key points explaining why one might conduct a case study. First one, in-depth exploration. Case studies allow for a detailed and thorough examination of a specific subject, providing a comprehensive understanding of its complexities. 2. Real-world context. They offer insights into real-life situations, helping researchers understand how theories and concepts apply in practical settings. 3. Nuanced understanding. Case studies enable the exploration of nuances and intricacies that may be missed in broader research methods, offering a more detailed view of the subject. 4. Theory building and testing. Researchers can use case studies to develop new theories or refine existing ones. They are also helpful in testing theoretical frameworks in practical scenarios. 5. Problem solving. In fields where practical solutions are crucial, case studies provide examples of successful strategies or approaches to address specific issues. 6. Context-specific learning. Case studies are particularly useful when context matters. They allow for a deep dive into the specific circumstances surrounding an event or phenomenon. 7. Rare or unique cases. When dealing with rare, unique, or extreme cases where generalization may not be appropriate, case studies offer a way to examine specific instances. 8. Exploratory research. Case studies are effective for exploratory research, helping researchers explore new areas, generate hypotheses, and gain initial insights. 9. Descriptive power. They offer descriptive power, helping researchers explain complex phenomena or events by examining them within their natural context. 10. Practical application. Case studies provide practical examples that can be valuable for professionals, educators, or policymakers looking for insights applicable to their fields. Next one is when to conduct a case study. A case study is used in various situations and disciplines when a detailed, in-depth analysis of a specific instance or phenomenon is necessary. Here are some situations where a case study is commonly used. 1. In-depth exploration of research questions. Case studies are apt when the research questions demand a thorough and detailed exploration of a specific phenomenon, allowing for a comprehensive understanding. 2. Facilitating exploratory research. Case studies serve as a valuable tool in exploratory research, providing a platform to delve into new areas, generate hypotheses, and initiate investigations. 3. Examining rare, unique, or extreme cases. In situations involving rare, unique, or extreme occurrences, where generalization may be challenging, case studies offer a tailored approach to examining specific instances. 4. Appreciating real-world complexity. When a research goal involves understanding a subject within its authentic real-world context, case studies are preferred over controlled experiments due to their ability to capture the complexity of practical scenarios. 5. Uncovering context-dependent insights. Case studies excel in revealing context-dependent insights, offering a detailed examination of how specific contextual factors influence the subject of study. 6. Longitudinal understanding. In scenarios where an in-depth analysis over time is essential, case studies, especially those incorporating a longitudinal approach, can capture changes and developments effectively. 7. Informing decision-making processes. When the focus is on studying decision-making processes within organizations or individuals, case studies provide a nuanced exploration of the factors influencing decisions. 8. Program evaluation and impact assessment. Case studies are instrumental in evaluating the effectiveness of programs, interventions, or policies, allowing for an in-depth assessment of their impact in a specific setting. 9. Capturing human experiences. In social sciences and humanities, case studies are valuable for capturing the lived experiences of individuals or groups, offering a rich narrative that goes beyond statistical data. 10. Comparative analysis. Case studies can be employed for comparative analysis, enabling researchers to contrast and compare different instances or cases to draw meaningful conclusions. Remember that case studies are context-dependent, and the steps may vary depending on the research field and the specific objectives of the study. Next videos you will learn about how to write a case study and step-by-step process of writing case study. Different types of case study. Thank you. Please check our earlier video covering frequently asked common interview questions, HR interview discussions, behavioral assessments, and job interview conversations.